Look at the restriction the stock components that we've removed causes for your vehicle's ability to breathe.
Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. Ball now, top corner like.
Today we're installing this stainless steel exhaust kit made by Black Bandit on this beautiful 2019 Ford F350. Along with that exhaust kit, we're going to be doing a full EGR delete and a cooler delete to get this customer going down the road. We've removed the EGR valve, blocked it all off to stop that soot and contamination from going back into your intake system. So our Black Bandit kit includes everything from the downpipe-back. It will bolt up right under your factory downpipe and runs all the way back to the tailpipe on this truck. Every bend is a mandrel bend which increases your exhaust flow, keeps your EGTs low, and keeps the vehicle happy. All the Black Bandit kits come with stainless steel lap clamps and stainless steel hardware. Black Bandit doesn't just make great parts, they make parts that last, perform, and turn heads.